Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds. I've got the most incredible, ridiculous gift for you on this video I'm going to share with you right now. I want to spend 2 days with you. Guess what? The Property Investors Crash Course is back. It's back. Did you hear that? Did you hear that, Amanda? The crash course is back.
Hooray!
It's back. No way. Listen, 2 full days. Right now I'm in Durham. This is going to be in London. Wherever you are in the world right now, find a way to get to London because I'm going to be there. I've booked a venue. I've booked the Ibis Hotel. It's like the biggest hotel room we could find in London. And there's going to be hundreds and hundreds of people there. I promise you this will sell out. This is going to sell out. I'll tell you why it's going to sell out, because it always sells out. Every time we run a crash course, this is the first crash course since the pandemic. Right now with the pandemic, with everything that's going on, over £1 million people have lost their jobs. People are losing their jobs. So what I'm going to be teaching for literally 2 days, the cost for you right now is £1. £1. Today's Black Friday. £1. I'm going to be there for 2 full straight days. This guy's going to be there. He's going to be there. You're going to see him there. Amanda's going to be there. And I'm going to have a lot of people there that are financially free, that are going to be working with you, that are going to be journeying with you. It costs £1. HMOs, lease option agreements, rent to rents, deal packaging, everything that I've learned over the last 12 years in property, doing over 300 deals, I'm going to condense and I'm going to share with you over the 2 days for £1. So get yourself booked on real quick, because I'll tell you something. Amanda, is this going to sell out?
Yes. Yeah.
It always sells out. It's going to sell out. How fast, if you were there, how fast would you book?
Now.
I would book right now. It's £1. It's crazy. Like, honestly, do you know what? Let me tell you why I'm doing this. I'm doing this from a position of mission. You know, I mean, listen, I've made millions and millions of pounds in property. I made millions of pounds. And hundreds of people have become financially free as a direct result of the teaching. And you're going to receive the exact same training. It all starts at the crash course for £1, 2 days with me. So that's what's happening. That's why I'm so stoked. And you know what? I'll tell you something. Property is the most lucrative profession on the planet. And right now, there's ridiculous opportunities in the market. This is the opportunity of a decade. So that's why I say, wherever you are, get booked on. I want to meet you. You know, I want to get to know you. I want to meet you. I want to do a selfie with you. I want to give you all the foundations and grounding of property to get you started, so that you don't need to rely on someone. You don't need to work 40 hours a week for 40 years to retire on 40% of what you couldn't afford to live on in the first place. You don't have to worry about whether your boss is going to like you in case he makes you redundant because they're letting a load of people go. You're going to stand on your own 2 feet as a result of the training that you're going to receive for £1. So book right now. Click the link. I'm stoked. It's Black Friday. It's £1. There is a no-show fee. So if you book on and then you just don't turn up, that's an issue. But you're not going to do that. You're going to be there. You're going to be on time. And you know what? I really believe that there's going to be a lot of people that become financially free over the next 3 to 6 months as a direct result of the 2 days that I'm going to be running at the crash course in the coming, I think it's like, when is it? What's the date? 8th of December? I don't know. Click the link and see the date, okay? But it's coming. It's in London. Travel, wherever you are. Don't be like, oh, but I live in Manchester. Great. You're in the same country then. Get down. Let's spend 2 days together. Don't make excuses. Make it happen. Click the link. I'll see you there. I can't wait.
Mr. Samuel Lee!
You're only going to be mind blown. That's how I'm going to put it.
Samuel's just an amazing ball of energy.
Samuel's great. He's very, very passionate. He's got a massive heart. He loves teaching and seeing successful people, and he's very sort of in there getting it done, and let's just get this done no matter what. No barriers. Let's get it done.
Just spend 2 days of your life and, you know, just come and do it, and then see different options and probably change your thinking and just go for it.
The time invested here is going to pay you back in the future if you listen to what you have heard, if you put the tools into use and what you've heard into action, then it will pay you back in time and in money.
If you never try coming to the crash course, you'll never know what will change your life. You could be thinking, what would have happened if I didn't go, you know, 10 years down the line. Someone's life could have changed, but your life will still remain the same.
Samuel does a pretty outstanding job, and I think the selflessness of him doing the course for people like myself for free, and it is for free. There's no catches or anything behind it. It is genuinely 2 days of his time giving back to everybody, which is pretty phenomenal.
There's zero to lose, but there's just an empowerment, this course, let alone a set of new knowledge. It genuinely is empowering. You meet some great people. I can't say enough.
The value of what you're going to get from here, it has the potential to change your life, to be honest.
So right now, I urge you to take this opportunity, click the link in the description, and it will take you straight through to the website. And you can book within literally a minute or two. Claim your free tickets now. It's back. It's December. If you just click here, you can see there's 18 people just on the website right now. 18 people just on the website right now booking on. This is going to sell out. It's going to sell out really quick. You're going to fill this little format right here, and you can see it's £1. There's no catch, it's £1. Crash course. Dates are 11th and 12th of December, 19th and 20th of December, and it is £1. So I think this is your red diamond moment. You're watching this for a reason. Get booked on before it sells out, and I can't wait to see you at the Property Investors Crash Course. Thanks.